Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's study 20 important questions about COVID-19. I have already uploaded a short video regarding top vaccines for COVID-19. If you not yet subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Here is our first question. What is the new name of the disease caused by coronavirus? Answer: COVID-19. COVID-19 is the new name for the disease caused by coronavirus. Second question. WHO officially declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic on. Answer: 11th March 2020. On 11th March 2020, WHO officially declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic. Our third question. WHO announced COVID-19 as the name of this new disease on 11th February 2020. On 11th February 2020, WHO announced COVID-19 as the name of this new disease. Fourth question. Which viruses cause COVID-19? Answer: SARS coronavirus 2. SARS coronavirus 2 is the name of the virus causing COVID-19. Sixth question. How many days of lockdown announced by Prime Minister of India on the first phase starting from 24th March 2020? Answer: 21 days. 21 days of lockdown announced by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the first phase starting from 24th March 2020. Next question. Which test is considered as a standard test for diagnosing COVID-19? Answer: real-time RT-PCR. Real-time RT-PCR is the test used for diagnosing COVID-19. Eighth question. SARS novel coronavirus belongs to which family? Answer: RNA virus. SARS novel coronavirus belongs to RNA virus family. Our ninth question. Viruses are named by. Answer: International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. So, International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Next question. Which country announced the discovery of first COVID-19 vaccine? Answer: Russia. Russia announced the discovery of first COVID-19 vaccine. Here is our 11th question. In which state of India first death due to COVID-19 reported? Answer: Karnataka. In Karnataka, first death due to COVID-19 reported. 12th question. Vaccines made in India for COVID-19. Answer: Covaxin and Covishield. Covaxin is the vaccine indigenously developed in India, and Covishield is a vaccine developed with the collaboration with Oxford University, AstraZeneca multinational company, and Serum Institute in Pune. Our 14th question. The COVID-19 vaccine made in Russia. Answer Sputnik 5. Sputnik 5 is the name of the COVID-19 vaccine made in Russia. Next question. First country to roll out vaccine for public inoculation. Answer UK. So, UK is the first country to roll out vaccine for public inoculation. Our 16th question. In India, where the first COVID-19 case reported? Answer in Thrissur district in Kerala. So, in Thrissur district in Kerala, first COVID-19 case reported. 17th question. Headquarters of World Health Organization, that is WHO, Geneva in Switzerland. So, headquarters of WHO is in Geneva in Switzerland. 18th question. The Director General of WHO. Answer Tedros Adhanom. Tedros Adhanom is the current Director General of WHO. 19th question. India's indigenously developed COVID vaccine Covaxin is developed by. Answer Bharat Biotech. Bharat Biotech developed India's indigenously developed COVID vaccine named Covaxin. And this is our last question, 20th question. Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine and Moderna vaccine are examples for mRNA vaccine. mRNA means nothing but messenger RNA. So, messenger RNA they are using as the vaccine. So, Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine and Moderna vaccine both are examples for mRNA vaccine. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.